Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows Update with the error code 0x8007030 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this type of error appears when the update process is not successful and puts the system in its pre-update conditions with the message reads Windows updates failed to install. So the root causes of error code 0x800703006 can vary but are generally linked to issues with the system files, update components, conflicting software, corrupted Windows update components, and incomplete update downloads. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong settings, and then under dito sa troubleshoots, makikita mo dito yung options, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. At dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-tap tong run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed. So after dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset the Windows Update components. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and then next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na NATSH space WANSAC space reset. So kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na NATSH space WANSAC space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. And successfully reset the WANSAC catalog, and then you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close lang natin tong CMD, at dito lang si start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, click mo lang yan. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the SFC and DSEM scan. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na dsem space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So copy lang natin yan, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus C. And then next step ay paste natin dito, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus B, and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment image servicing and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully, and the next keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang dito yung command keyword na SFC space slash scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang ulit hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. I-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows 11 update with the error code 0x800700306. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.